Hi future dorm dwellers, whether you're counting down the days to move in or knee deep in packing chaos, today we're diving into our top college moving tips to keep you cool, collected and maybe even a little excited about hauling your life to campus. Let's go. First things first, make a master list. We're talking clothes, bedding, toiletries, tech, snacks, chargers, the works. Don't rely on your brain to remember everything whilst trying to process your entire future. Use apps or just go old school and write it out. You'll thank yourself later when you remember your toothbrush. Don't pack like you're going on a year-long expedition to Mars. Dorms are small. Roll your clothes and use vacuum bags to save space. Trust me, moving day elevators are battle zones. Label everything. Being organised is half a battle when it comes to moving. Sharpies are your best friend now. Don't overpack. Leave the 17 pairs of shoes and 3 waffle makers at home. Bring the essentials and get the rest later if you need it. Your future self and your roommates will appreciate the breathing room. Bonus tip, bring a small toolkit and scissors. You'll use them more than you think. Moving days usually organise chaos. Arrive early, wear comfy shoes and bring water. It's basically a cardio workout with cardboard. Scope out where to park, check in and know your dorm room number before you start hauling. But if you want a super easy moving day without the workout and stress and looking like a wilted mess in front of your new mates, why not use a specialist college mover? Give us a call at 800 989 8833 or go straight to MoveAdvisor.com/quote to get up to 4 free quotes from reliable pre-screened movers now. Let them do the hard work while you get to look cool, calm and collected. And before you move in, talk to your roommate. Coordinate big items like mini fridges or microwaves so you don't end up with double or nothing. And when it comes to decor, keep it cozy and personal, but leave room to grow. This is your new home. Make it yours, not a Pinterest fever dream. Pack a day one bag with all your essentials. Think chargers, a change of clothes, snacks, deodorant, shower stuff, ID. Everything you'll need that first night without digging through 10 boxes labelled MISC. You'll feel like a genius. College moving can be wild, but with a little prep and the right attitude, you'll crush it. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, drop your best packing tips in the comments, and subscribe for tips to make every aspect of your home move cheaper, easier and safer. Good luck on your big adventure. Bye for now.